All right, let's talk about one of the biggest challenges in science class.
I mean, seriously, how do you explain something that's totally invisible to the naked eye?
Gene expression is a perfect example. It's happening on a molecular level and it's crazy fast.
And let's be real, a flat diagram in a textbook just doesn't capture what's actually going on.
But that's where new tech comes in. We're talking about a fully interactive virtual lab.
What's so cool is that it makes these super complex ideas something you can actually see and touch.
The lab simulates the central dogma, basically how your genetic blueprint gets put into action.
So you're not just passively reading, you're actually doing the science yourself. It's a huge shift.
You get to be in control. You can tweak things, even cause a mutation, and see what happens instantly.
And this hands-on approach, well, it unlocks some pretty awesome benefits. It's totally safe, it's way cheaper, and you can practice over and over till you master it.
It just turns abstract theory into something you really get. It makes it stick.
Look, this isn't just a shiny new toy. This is about making high-level science available to everyone.
So that leaves us with a final thought. Just imagine what's possible now.